overthrow the government, eliminate the money system, and destroy male sex. The male is a biological accident.
The male is completely egocentric, trapped inside himself.
The male is a biological accident. The male is completely egocentric, trapped inside himself. To call a man an animal is to flatter him. He's a machine, a walking dildo.
Man have pussy envy. Man have pussy envy. Man have pussy envy. Man have pussy envy. And man have pussy envy. And man have pussy envy.
Man have pussy envy. He's a machine, a walking dildo. Unable to relate or to love, the male must work.
Enable to relate, enable to love the male must work. He must work.
Work.
Unable to relate, and unable to love the male must work. Unable to give love or affection, the male needs money. Unable to give love or affection, the male needs money. It makes him feel motherly. When he gives money, the mother gives milk. The father gives bread. He's the bread winner.
Unable to give love or affection, the male gives money. It makes him feel motherly. The mother gives milk. The daddy gives bread. He's the bread winner.
The male cannot progress socially but merely swings back and forth from isolation to gang banging.
Mother wants what's best for her kids, but daddy only wants what's best for daddy.
Mother wants what's best for her kids. Daddy only wants what's best for daddy. What's best for daddy.
Unable to relate or to lose, the male must work. Unable to relate or to lose, the male must work. Unable to relate or to lose, the male must work. Unable to relate or to lose, the male must work. The male cannot progress socially, but merely swings back and forth from isolation to gang banging. Overthrow the government, eliminate the money system, and destroy the male sex. Overthrow the government, eliminate the money system, and destroy the male sex. Overthrow the government, eliminate the money system, and destroy the male sex.
Overthrow the government, eliminate the money system, and destroy the male sex.
Unable to give love or affection, the male gives money. It makes him feel motherly. The mother gives milk, daddy gives bread. He's the breadwinner. The male is completely egocentric. 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 The male is completely egocentric.